Hi, I'm Monica Russo, and as a media specialist with Houston Metro, talking transit is what I do. But I'm also a rider, taking the Red Line into work almost every day. Today, I'm here in Midtown Houston, where there's been a recent construction boom.
It's not just buildings. Parks and other green spaces have sprouted up, and trains might signal some of the reasons why.
The Metro Light Rail offered us an opportunity to provide a lifestyle offering that is not vehicle-centric.
The sounds of the city, the rhythm of life, people on the move with Metro. But out the window, can you see what's happening? New stores, restaurants, hangouts, and homes going up all along the rail lines. Red, green, purple. Property values now totaling more than $76 billion within a 1-mile radius. Developers are delivering more options with mobility in mind. Go north, east, southeast, to midtown, downtown. The visible signs of changing times are everywhere. The Downtown Management District says the population of the city center has doubled in just 5 years. 65,000 people live less than 2 miles from downtown. And young professionals aren't the only ones drawn to the heart of Houston. Families, empty nesters, and reverse commuters are all moving in. The whole Houston region could be home to 10 million people in the next 20 years, making transit matter more than ever.